Well, this is key news, especially when it comes to the people in the national capital, because the time is up for when it comes to those vehicles that have now gone beyond their span. When we come out today, which is the 1st of July, end-of-life vehicles will be denied fuel at petrol pumps in Delhi. Petrol vehicles that are older than 15 years old and diesel vehicles which are older than 10 years old will now be impounded and then be taken for scrapping. The enforcement drive that follows orders issued earlier by this year by the commission itself, which is for air quality management in NCR, adjoining areas as well, which is the CAQM, which is mandated that overage vehicles will now be denied fuel in Delhi starting the 1st of July. There has been a detailed implementation strategy that has now been prepared, and here's exactly how this new exercise will be implemented on ground. Let's take a look as far as the capital crackdown on old vehicles is concerned. EOL, which now stands off end-of-life vehicles, the petrol vehicles which are older than 15 years old, and diesel vehicles which are older than 10 years old. Now, how they will be identified? Let's take a look. They will be identified using automatic number plate recognition on camera, and these are the ANPR cameras that have been installed at least 498 stations in Delhi. And what is now being said that there would be real-time recording and tracking of the vehicle data as well. The tracking of these vehicles that will be done through centralized database. Now, the action that will follow if it actually finds out that there is any vehicle, say for petrol, which is older than 15 years old, the action that would now be involved when it comes to the end-of-life vehicles, they would be denied fuel and they would be immediately impounded. The four-wheeler end-of-life vehicle, the owners will are likely to be fined the penalty which can go up to 10,000 rupees, and two-wheelers which are end-of-life vehicles, the vehicle would be impounded and their owners will be fined up to 5,000 rupees. Now let's take a look as far as the Chief Minister is concerned of the national capital. Rekha Gupta and the police said that all measures have now been taken to implement the directions properly to ensure that as far as pollutants being one of the main causes of air quality in the national capital, which has been hampering life and the lives of the people there, one of the major steps that has now been taken up by the Delhi government.
दिल्ली के पॉल्यूशन को देखते हुए माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट और पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बॉडीज जो हैं CAMQ इत्यादि सब लोग इस विषय की संगीनता को देखते हुए लगातार ये बात कह रहे हैं कि एंड ऑफ लाइफ व्हीकल्स को बंद किया जाना चाहिए। हम भी ये सोचते हैं कि ये चीज़ें किस तरीके से इम्प्लीमेंट हो, सरकार भी उसको देख रही है। कैमरों के ऊपर बहुत बड़ी इसमें डिपेंडेंसी है, हम भी उसकी वायबिलिटी देख रहे हैं कि दिल्ली में यदि कार्रवाई ये शुरू होती है तो उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ठीक से हो, लोगों को दिक्कतें ना आए।
हमारे पास जो ओवरएज्ड व्हीकल्स हैं उसके लिए डायरेक्शंस हैं कि एक तो हम इनको किसी पेट्रोल पंप पे अगर वो आते हैं तो वहां पे APNR लगे हुए हैं जो कि नंबर प्लेट्स को रीड करके वो हमको अलार्म देंगे कि ये गाड़ी ओवरएज्ड है। तो हमने हर पेट्रोल पंप पे अपनी टीम्स को डिप्लॉय कर रखा है राउंड द क्लॉक, जिसमें कि जैसे अलार्म होता है उस गाड़ी को सीज करेंगे और उस पर अपने एक्शन लेंगे एज पर लॉ। इसके अलावा हमारे पास जो रूटीन का हम लोग ये काम डेली बेसिस पे कर ही रहे हैं कि हमारे जगह जगह स्टाफ डिप्लॉयड है, अगर कहीं भी ओवरएज्ड व्हीकल्स होती हैं तो उस पर हम एक्शन अपना ले रहे हैं। इसके लिए हमने बड़ा एक डिटेल प्रोग्राम बनाया हुआ है। हमारे हर पेट्रोल पंप्स पे हमारा स्टाफ डिप्लॉयड है, लोकल पुलिस भी डिप्लॉयड है, तो उससे हमारा कोऑर्डिनेशन चल रहा है। तो हम इसको पीसफुली अच्छे ढंग से लॉ को इन्फोर्स करेंगे और ट्रैफिक के नियमों का पालन करते हुए गाड़ियों को सीज करेंगे।
Well, let's get in a word from Shivam, who's joining us live right now. Shivam, today is the day, 1st of July, where we're looking at this exercise that would be implemented on ground, and this is going to be a major step, especially when it comes to combating air pollution.
Well, definitely, Amita, and it has come after a much delays. It was supposed to be implemented on 1st of April, but now it is 1st of July, and we are currently reporting from a fuel pump on the borders of the national capital. It is near the Mayur Vihar area, and you see here the long queue of the daily commuters, the vehicles, the cabs, the taxis who are getting their fuel tank filled because it's the peak office hours, and that's the time where you see a lot of rush on these fuel stations. However, this particular fuel station has also now been equipped with all the CCTV cameras, with all the automatic number plate registration cameras which are currently being installed at this particular site. There are also been notices put up saying that fuel will not be dispensed to the end-of-life vehicles, that is 15 years old for the petrol and 10 years old for the diesel, as you rightly mentioned. And these cameras are in real time monitoring these number plates that they have, that the vehicles, that the daily commuters have on their vehicles. And the speaker which is installed will announce the moment any vehicle which falls under the end-of-life category. These particular speakers will announce that particular, the tone that this particular number doesn't fall under the category, which is permitted in the national capital. However, when we talked about this particular issue, there was certain, kind of anticipation made that how the law and order situation, how the congestion will be taken care.
Petrol pumps, over 400 of them have been tasked as far as carrying out this exercise is concerned to identify vehicles which are said to be end of life or EOL and deny them fuel. And what is now being said that there would be a harsh penalty that will also be levied on 4 vehicles and on 2 vehicles as two-wheelers as well. Shivam continues to be with us as we talk about how many approximately of these vehicles that would be affected. What is now being said of an estimate nearly 80 lakh registered vehicles in the national capital. Now, out of these, around 62 lakh vehicles are said to be end-of-life vehicles. 41 lakh vehicles among them are two-wheelers. Now, this move to deny them fuel to these vehicles has also drawn a mixed response from the Janta. As per a survey that was done by the local circles, 44% of the car owners in Delhi are against this move, while 49% have now backed this decision.
Right now we are standing here outside a petrol pump at Janpath Road, and you can see behind me that this is basically a CCTV camera which has been installed by the Delhi government itself, as these CCTV cameras are directly connected to the transport department. And not just that, but in fact on such kind of petrol pumps there is a notice which is also being placed here, which has clearly stated that fuel will not be dispensed to end of life vehicles, that is 15 years old petrol vehicles and CNG vehicles and 10 years old diesel vehicles, with reference to 1st July 2025. So this is a decision which is being taken by the Delhi government to curb over the rising air pollution levels in the national capital. Let us go across to some of the people who are being present here, whether they accept and welcome this move of the Delhi government or not. Sir, सबसे पहले आपका नाम क्या है?
मैं दिनेश कुमार।
सर, ये जो कदम उठाया है दिल्ली सरकार ने पॉल्यूशन को देखते हुए उठाया गया है, कि आप वेलकम करते हैं?
हम हमारी तरफ से वेलकम है, क्योंकि दिल्ली में पोल्यूशन घटेगा तो अच्छी बात है। जो पुरानी गाड़ियां हैं, 10 साल पुरानी गाड़ी डीजल की और 15 साल पुरानी गाड़ियां पेट्रोल और सीएनजी की, अगर इनको रोड से हटा दिया जाए तो नेचुरली है कि पोल्यूशन में कमी आएगी। पर वैसे भी पोल्यूशन फ्री होना चाहिए, बच्चों को देखते हुए भी, हेल्थ को देखते हुए। ऑलरेडी पोल्यूशन इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा। गवर्नमेंट का अच्छा कदम है।
मुझे तो ये लगता है सरकार ने कोई कदम उठाया है तो कुछ लोगों के हित में ही उठाया होगा। पॉल्यूशन की समस्या तो है ही।
कहते हैं कि अगर दिल्ली के आप वातावरण की वो ले रहे हो, ऐसे दिल्ली की एयर इनहेल कर रहे हो, तो मतलब कहीं सिगरेट के बराबर आप इनहेल कर रहे हो। तो अगर 10 साल का डिसीजन लिया है गवर्नमेंट ने, तो कहीं से कहीं मैं उसके लिए सहमत हूँ।
Now, this implementation of fuel ban for overage vehicles has started from the national capital, but the crackdown will expand to at least 5 neighbouring NCR cities as well from the 1st of November. These cities include Gurugram, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Gautam Budh Nagar and even Sonipat in Haryana. We have Shivam again with us. Shivam, if you can speak to the people there, because this is the exercise that will begin from today. Are people on roads in fact aware of this exercise that is now being carried out?
Well, definitely, we'll try and talk to the common people who are at this fueling station, to getting their petrol tanks filled, because these are the people who are eventually getting affected. सर, दिल्ली में आज से एक पॉलिसी लागू हो रही है जहां जो भी 15 साल से पुरानी पेट्रोल की गाड़ियां हैं, 10 साल से पुरानी डीजल गाड़ियां हैं, उनको बैन किया जा रहा है क्योंकि वो प्रदूषण बढ़ाती हैं। क्या लगता है कि ये डिसीजन सही है सरकार की तरफ से, कि पर्यावरण को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये चीजें देखी गई हैं?
मेरे हिसाब से सर सही भी है और ना भी सही है, क्योंकि जिनके पास है फिर उनका क्या होगा सर। जैसे मैंने अभी नई ली 1 साल हुआ।
अच्छा, नहीं, जो 15 साल से पुरानी है उनको बैन किया गया।
हाँ, वो तो ठीक है सर, पोल्यूशन के लिए।
आपको लगता है कि प्रदूषण से बचने के लिए ये अच्छा डिसीजन?
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल सही है।
सर, आप भी देखते हैं जिस तरह से दिल्ली में हम हर बार देखते हैं कोहरा छाया रहता है, प्रदूषण रहता है, तो जो सरकार ने जिस तरह से जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, जो पॉलिसी लेकर आई है कि जो 15 15 साल से पुरानी पेट्रोल व्हीकल्स हैं या 10 साल से पुरानी डीजल व्हीकल्स हैं जिनकी वजह से प्रदूषण ज्यादा होता है, उनको बैन किया गया है। आपको क्या लगता है कि ये सही विचार है?
ठीक है, बहुत सही कर रही है गवर्नमेंट ऐसे, क्योंकि जो पोल्यूशन काफी होता है तो उससे हम लोग को हार्मफुल होता है, बच्चों को हार्मफुल होता है। तो ये सही डिसीजन है उनके लिए कि वो जो ज्यादा पोल्यूशन क्रिएट करती है गाड़ियां वगैरह, तो उनको बैन करा जाए। ये बहुत बढ़िया डिसीजन है।
So you see here, at least for now, the people are happy with the decision. They are saying that yes, we welcome the decision. Although there is a little bit of confusion. We have seen how certain people didn't know that it was 15 years. It was about the vehicles who are more than 15 years old. But overall, when you see the larger janta, or when you see the larger take, they are, because they have seen the kind of pollution that goes on into the national capital for the 4 months, and now it was going on for the entire year as well. So far here at least the people are happy. They are welcoming this decision that yes, there should be ban on those vehicles which will eventually lead to the increasing level of pollution, because it is the people who will eventually suffer in the end. So a little bit of trouble in these days could lead us to a secure future in the coming days is what a lot of people here are talking about. Back to you.
All right, Shivam, thank you very much. As far as the people, they're still yet to be aware of this exercise that is to be carried out by the Delhi government. What is now being said that adjoining cities like Gurugram, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Gautam Budh Nagar and Sonipat will be also covered over time. But this is going to be a major drive when it comes to combating and curbing air pollution. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.